BNB's price continues to pull back and it moves down from the top 100 list from number 4 down to number 5, being replaced by Solana. What is going on? And is it looking like this is the bottom? Is it going to go further down? Well, I'm going to share my thoughts with you guys in this video. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We are trying to grow the channel. We got an awesome community. We're trying to get to 21,000 subscribers, and I would love to have you be a part of that. If you could hit the thumbs up like button too, be greatly appreciated. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the top 100 lists. So BNB is down about 6% over the last 24 hours. It's actually up about 7% over the last week. Solana is looking quite a bit better. It's up 4%. It's actually up about 38% in the last 7 days. It's sitting at a market cap of 90 billion, whereas BNB is at 82 billion. So it's still a significant amounts, I should say. But it's not close to Ethereum. So if people are thinking that this is getting close to passing Ethereum, no, you still got to do like a 4 to a 5x to get in the ballpark range of Ethereum. There's a scenario where Ethereum could continue to drop, and I had a theory about this in a previous video where I talked about BNB's possibility of overtaking Ethereum. I mean, number one is that Ethereum gas fees are really high. So if people look to alternatives that seem realistic and they have a lot of room for still to grow, then if you invest into these things, you might be able to make a significant profit. So these would be BNB, it would be Solana. These are the ones that are typically on people's radars right now. Now, what we've been seeing on social media is that there's a lot of tokens that are meme coins that are launching over on the Solana blockchain. Remember that the BNB and Solana blockchain, their transaction fees are lower compared to that of Ethereum. So a lot of people are hopping on board that trendy train and going over to the Solana side. I would be very cautious. This is my own opinion. Again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, not financial advice. You take a look at Solana over the last 7 days, up almost 38%. There's going to be a point where people decide to start taking profits. And if they take out profits, the question is where are they going to be moving it into next? BNB has been established for a while. It's had some headaches, but even with those headaches, it's not like it went anywhere. It's still a top 10 cryptocurrency. There is a potential that we could see BNB bounce back from this. And I'm saying that because we saw that happen in the past. There was a moment where I believe XRP had one day actually gone above that of the market cap for BNB. And then it pulled back. Now, if you take a look at it, XRP is almost 1/3 that of BNB. And that just goes to show you that things have the potential of moving fast, whether it be up or down. So theoretically, could BNB or Solana overtake Ethereum? Yes, but we're talking many billions of dollars, and so it would have to be a significant movement. Like a lot of people would really have to jump on board, participate with that. So let's go move back over here to the price charts, and we're looking at BNB over the course of the last couple days. It had a high of right around $650, but I want to make this important note. That's not the all-time high. The all-time high, if we actually go back further in time, we're going to have to really go back here 1 month. And we zoom back over here. Back in May of 2021 was approximately $700. So you guys can see that on the monthly, we're actually in that upper zone, right? We still have a couple more weeks left until March finishes. Even if this drops down into the yellow zone, I would say it still looks quite good in the overall perspective. If it sits right around a $500 range to staying above $400 or so, it can be inside that yellow range. Even if there's a red candle for the next month and it consolidates, etc., that gives it a very ample opportunity to go ahead and make a significant rally, push up, breaking above the all-time high, and then seeing even further gains. Because again, things do not only go up. It just doesn't work that way, guys. Like there's going to be a point where people decide to sell and take profits. And where are those profits going to go to? It's going to move it's going to move from one thing into something else, right? So with the design system of these specific cryptocurrencies, what we're talking about here, Solana, it's up about 38%. Those are significant gains. I mean, you look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies, you got Avalanche is up 32% as well. That's actually really nice to see. I own some Avalanche on top of everything else. But then what ends up happening? You see these other significant movers all of a sudden make a huge transition it can flip on a dime. Like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu were making some really strong moves, and then all of a sudden, boom, down 18%, down 16% on the week, right? Ethereum, the #2 cryptocurrency, down 13%. Look at how well it was moving with everything. So Solana, the biggest concern that I have with Solana is that there's so much FOMO that's going into it that, like, be fearful when people are greedy, be greedy when people are fearful, right? This is extreme greed for a very high market cap based cryptocurrency. It has the potential to keep going some more, but guys, there's a significant chance that there's going to be a very strong sell pressure that comes out of Solana. So the fact that BNB is up about 7%, okay, it's holding itself in there. It's pretty close to its all-time high. If it decides that it wants to drop down for this zone, I'd be looking at a level of support around $537. And then we're looking at that resistance at the all-time high. But before that, we actually have several days here taking place right around $630. I'd love to see it break above 600, break above 630, and then give that other push back up to the $700 price range. And on a daily, we're at 3 days right now looking at the red. So if I zoom in here a bit, we can actually see that on each of these days, there is a bottom wick. So when it hits that little bottom, ended up climbing a little bit before the day closed. Actually closed with a huge wick on the bottom here on March 17th, my birthday. And then on the day here, we're still going. It's got a little bit of a wick going on. If we move over to the, let's go to the 15-minute time frame and zoom in a bit here for you guys. You can see that there was a nice green candle on the 15-minute chart, but there are a lot of red candles. It's kind of like multiple red candles, and then you got a green, red, green, 4 red, 1 green, 5 red, 1 green. So far, there's 2 red. Like, these could be very thin based red candles too, but we're seeing an overall trend that's trying to push it down this way. So ideally, we'll start to see some more rallying going up. I do like the fact that I'm seeing on these candles that there's wicks on the bottom of them, which would suggest that every 15 minutes there is still buy pressure that's coming in trying to fight this and causing it to go ahead and rally up. But yeah, guys, remember FOMO and the fear of missing out. People get emotional, and the whole concept is supposed to be greedy when people are fearful, and be fearful when people are greedy. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments down below. And that's what I got for you in this video. You can check out the crypto exchange Margex if you want to do some margin trading. You can do anywhere from 5x all the way up to 100x leverage trading. There's no KYC. You can even buy crypto directly through their website using MasterCard and Visa. They've got Google Pay, etc. They have copy trading, so you can see what some of the other traders are doing. If you want to mimic your trades off of them, they have that option. There's also staking there. And it's available in many different places. If it's not available in your region, you can use a VPN. I'm not saying that you guys should do that. There are people that do that, though. And then if you use my referral link, you make a deposit of $100 or more, you can get a $50 bonus. If you just want to check out the platform, look around, you don't have to deposit anything. You do that later if you want to. And that's what I got for you guys. Also, you can check out the exclusive trading group, HG Access. I got a link down in the description below. Thank you guys so much. And I appreciate my Patreon supporters. Double shout out thank you to Victor Vegas, Worlds of Rizvi for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. God bless. We'll see you in the next episode.